the words to describe it, but essentially, this is Picnic Rocks. The third day in a row I filmed down here. This is when the winds are coming in. You can see on the ground the leaves, the pine needles, my dog in a winter coat. Everything's changed in the last 48 hours. We're gonna walk back toward the car and you can see the storm. It's like a giant mixing bowl between Picnic Rocks and the shoreline, and everything's getting churned. No. Okay, here's a good example of the erosion. People have asked me, is it the sand or whatever? You can see here where the waves are digging down to the rocks and the sand is being torn away. That entire leaf-strewn area is sand, and the rocks have been put there to try to keep the waves off of it, but it's not working too good there. So, no. So much so you can hear the waves. I can tell you the wind's going right through me.